Hello everybody. I am working with the Wukong expansion board by Elect Freaks. You can just buy it by itself, but it also comes in the 32-in-1 Wonder Building Kit. It's about $30 for the expansion board by itself. It's got some lights on it, so I'm just gonna code the lights as our first thing. It's got some real little tiny LEDs for them, and they just are blue and they can be on, off, or like an on off. They call it breathe. It also has 4 neopixels, and they just label them LED 0, 1, 2, 3. And so I get my microbit and I plug it into my expansion board. There's already actually a program on there. That's the LEDs, the little LEDs underneath glowing. That's their breathe kind of thing. So I'll show us how to do this. It is powered by its own battery. So right now it's getting power from the computer, but there's this on-off switch here that I'll disconnect and then from the computer and then just turn that on. So we got a make code, and there is an extension for the Wukong board because it's got some special features like the LEDs, like the servo kind of things. So you either need to go to extensions here underneath math, or you need to go up here to the gear, to the settings, and click on extensions, and just Google Wukong, W-U-K-O-N-G, and then click on that, and it will drop in some blocks. One time it dropped in a different NeoPixel extension, so I don't know why it's doing this one, but hey. So there's our Wukong extension. So here's our set light mode. So on start, I'm going to just set light mode to breathe. It's got breathe or it's off, okay? And then this mecanum thing is not part of the 32-in-1 Wonder Building Kit. It's a different one. So I don't know why that uses the same board. And then the NeoPixels. So this one is this NeoPixel extension kit code is nice because it breaks things out into what they're doing. So first of all, we have to configure it. So we have to tell it we have some NeoPixels. And I tend to do that on start. You don't have to do it on start. You just have to do it before you want the NeoPixels to work. I have to know what pin it's on. Well, they happen to put it on pin 16. You got to find that in the instructions, or now we remember it. They don't use pin 16 on the board for the other pinouts, so that's nice. And then there's 4. All right. And now we need to make things light up. So let's see here. We can set pixel. You can set it pixel by pixel. We can set brightness. We've got RGB values we can mess with, or just words. Let's see what else we got here. Rainbow. It's not much of a rainbow when there's only 4 LEDs. We can just show all 4 the same color. Let's just pick that one. Let's do that. Let's show all 4 red. Let's get a pause in here, and then we'll do something else. Let's go with pause. So I went to basic and got pause. Let's go for a second pause. So show red for a second, and then we're going to do something else. Let's go with set pixel. Let's go pixel by pixel. Let's set 4 different pixels. My mouse and I don't agree with each other. Oh my gosh. What the heck? Set strip for on the strip. Set pixel color 0 to red. I don't want it red. I've already had it red, right? So I want it yellow. Now I'm going to copy and paste this. And pixel 1. I'm going to go green. Yeah, okay. Let's do it again. Pixel 2. I'm going to go blue. And do it again because there's 4. And pixel 3, I'm gonna go. Let's see if purple's anything. All right, now we're going to want to pause again. And for a second. So it should breathe. It should make all 4 pixels go red for a second. Then it should set the color. Oh, I've only set the colors. I haven't told it to show the colors. Okay, so now we need to show. Yeah, if you only set colors, it's ready. Notice this block already has show in it. Yeah, we need a show. Where is show? Strip show. Here's somewhere. Strip show. All right. That should work. Okay, where are we at here? We are connected to the microbit through the USB. We're going to hit download. The little yellow light should be flashing on the back of our NeoPixel, on our microbit, and we should be going red for a second, going those 4 colors for a second, back to red, and this is in a forever loop, so it should happen forever, right? I'm going to unplug the USB, so I'm unplugging it from the computer, and now here's the power button. Once for on, twice for off. Just a light touch. There we go. Again, it's a rechargeable battery. You recharge it through that port. So there is the breathe lights. They're on. They're kind of fading a little bit. That's, I guess, their breathe mode. And then the NeoPixels. So play with some NeoPixels. Have fun.